Hello students, good morning. Today I am going to teach you poem number 4 of 5th standard, that is strawberries. The poem Strawberries tells us that the strawberries which are grown in gardens under our loving care is not as sweet as the strawberries that grow in the woods without anyone to look after it. Okay, that means poem says that the strawberries with grow with care is not sweet, but the strawberry with grow without any care, without any look after on it, it is sweeter than this strawberry. Now all of you recite poem with me. Strawberries that in garden grow are plump and juicy fine, but sweeter far as wise men know, spring from the woodland vine. Now, strawberries that in gardens grow, that means the strawberry which are grows in garden, are plump and juicy fine. Are plump. Here the meaning of plump means having a full rounded shape. Okay, that means it is a ready to eat now. And juicy fine, that means it has a lot of juice, having a lot of juice in the strawberry. But sweeter far as wise men know. But as per the knowledge of wise men means the person who had a lot more experience and good judgment, and they can easily determine and easily find out that which strawberries are sweeter and which is not. Okay, now here wise person said that the but sweeter far as wise men know, spring from the woodland vine. Here the meaning of spring is little bit different. We have to take the another meaning, like the spring means what, a one type of season. Okay, now here meaning is what, leaves and plants start to grow again and flowers appear. Okay, now here wise men said that the strawberry which are grows in the woodland vine. Okay, from the woodland vine, that means woodland means here the forest. Meaning of woodland is forest. Strawberries that grows in forest is wine means the meaning of wine means the climbing plant that produces grape as its fruit. But here we don't take this meaning. Here we have to take another meaning. Like another meaning is what, any type of plant that climbs or grows along the ground and has twisting stems, means having a lot of turns. Here the meaning of vine means what, the plant which climbs on the another thing, that means climber. Okay, now wise men said that the strawberry which grow in woodland, and that means in forest, is sweeter than the strawberry grows in garden. Now second stanza is, no need for bowl or silver spoon, sugar or spice or cream. And he said that to eat this strawberry which grows in forest, there is no need of any bowl and silver spoon and sugar or spice or cream, because these strawberries are very sweet strawberries. It do not need any other things with it. Has the wild berry plucked in June beside the trickling stream. It do not need any other things to eat with it, because this wild berry is plucked in June. Plucked means what, ready to, that means remove from the plant, to pull out something sharply, and now it is ready to eat, and they are pulled out from the plant for eating purpose. Now they do not require bowl, spoon, sugar, spice and cream. Why? Because these are wild berries. Wild berries means, wild means the grow without being looked after. There is no one to care of it, take care of these berries, because they grown in forest. But then also these berries are very sweet. It do not require any type of sugar, spice or cream to eat with it. And these berries are plucked in June month. Plucked means what, to take off from the plant. Okay, beside the trickling stream, and these berries are grown beside the trickling stream. Trickling stream means the thin flow of water that drops continuously, and these berries, this plant of these berries are grown in the side of trickling stream. Beside means at the side of trickling stream, that means there is a water flow, and this water flow continuously with drop by drop. Okay, and these berries are grown beside that trickling stream, and because of that they are very sweet, and it do not require any type of sugar or spice or cream with while eating these berries. I hope all of you understand this poem very well. So keep watching video and keep learning.